the first Foundation Day celebration of our school, as well as inauguration of our new library. As we know, Foundation Day is the designated day on which celebration marks the founding of school. Today is the opportunity for us to come together, celebrate our milestone with students, faculty members, and our supporters. It is to achieve balance as we grasp the new insights that will help us shape our future and society. I am delighted to stand before you today to celebrate our school's Foundation Day, a day that holds our great significance in the history and tradition of our institution. It is a day to reflect on our past, celebrate our present achievements, and look to our promising future. Now, I would like to request our principal sir to host the flag to mark the Foundation Day celebration. Please, sir. I would also like to request our vice principal sir, and Hussain sir and Javed sir to accompany them